A question from previous mains related to the nitration of the benzene. The question is present like this. It is related to the preparation of nitrobenzene from the benzene with the help of nitration mixture. The quantitative relations regarding the presence of amount of benzene and the formed amount of nitrobenzene related information is provided and is present as the question related information is present as like this. We are asked to calculate the yield of the reaction of the formation of nitrobenzene from the benzene when 3.9 grams of benzene on nitration gives 4.92 grams of nitrobenzene. Here the amount of benzene that is participated is 3.9 grams, whereas the amount of nitrobenzene that is formed is 4.92 grams. In this particular weights ratio, if the starting materials and the product materials are present, and we are asked to calculate the yield, percentage of yield of this transformation. Yes, from the basic equation related to the formation of nitrobenzene from the benzene and the nitration mixture, 1 mole of this one produces 1 mole of the same compound. So therefore moles ratios of benzene as well as moles ratios of nitrobenzene, if we take into account, these two are present in the moles ratio of 1:1 moles ratio. Moles are 1 and 1. Whereas the corresponding quantitative weights ratio, if you calculate, benzene is having gram molecular weight 78, whereas this one is 77 plus nitrogen 14 plus 36. Altogether it reaches as 123 grams. Every 78 grams should produce 123 grams, and here we are having 3.9 grams. This 3.9 grams is 3.9 grams has to produce some X, but now it was producing, what is the amount that it is producing? 4.92 grams. This is theoretically expected value is X. Practically produced value is Y. Now we have to take the percentage of yield related information. Yield percentage is given by practically produced amount by theoretically producible amount into 100. That is 4.92 divided by X is the quantity into 100 is known as percentage of yield, and this particular value can be given by 4.92 divided by, theoretically if I cross calculate, X will matches as 3.9 into 123 divided by, this will be 78 into 100. On solving these things, the yield can be given by, so the yield and calculation, this can be rewritten as 4.92 by 3.9 into 123. This denominator becomes numerator into 100 remains as it is. This approximately 4. So therefore 4 ones followed by 4 nines, approximately 19 times. And this I am taking it as approximately 5. 5 into 19. 95 by 123 into 100. Whereas 95 by 123, that is approximately 12 8s are 96. So therefore 0.8 into 100 reaches as how much? 80% of yield is obtained. If 3.9 grams produces 4.92 grams of nitrobenzene, then the corresponding yield will becomes approximately as of 80 in percentage. 80 in percentage. Find the product of the following reaction, that is transformation, and the reaction conditions are provided for us are consisting of, reaction conditions are given by 1 bromo propionine and reaction with conditions like sodamine, first condition, whatever obtained product is there that was subjected for red hot iron tubes under high temperature conditions of 873 kelvins. Whereas this is 1 bromo propionine, propionine, it is subjected for sodamine. Sodamine is strongest base. The nature of sodamine is what? It is basic in nature, and this base is strongest base. As being this sodamine is strongest base, it takes up acid along with it. Whereas that acid is here hydrogen halide, that hydrogen halide is HBr. HBr elimination takes place, H from adjacent positions, Br from the another one carbon atoms like this. H from one carbon, Br from the adjacent carbon atoms connected through the single bond or the double bond it takes. Here in this case double bond very difficult, hence we are taking the help of sodamine to remove this. So therefore that results into the formation of, that is here what happens is, this is the system consisting of H here followed by what, Br here, and it is having hydrogen. From here sodamine forcefully drags the hydrogen because it is strongest in nature, thus HBr elimination takes place with the help of this sodamine conditions, and that particular compound is reached to a state of terminal triple bond known as what, propvanine. The name of this compound is what, propvanine formation takes place. This propvanine, after forming the making reaction of this bromide with the sodamide is propvanamine. This propvanine on reaction with red hot iron tubes undergoes polymerization. Degree of polymerization here it reaches as 3, that is trimerization takes place. As a result of trimerization, it results into very symmetrical structure. Let us feel, this is one unit, second unit, third unit. In the first unit there is methyl, in second unit there is methyl, in third unit there is methyl. A proper collective way of, a proper symmetric way of collaboration takes place. This is known as 1, 3, 5 trimethyl benzene, known as 1, 3, 5 trimethyl benzene formation, which is also known as what, mesitylene formation occurs.